Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make glutinous rice ball with sesame and peanut filling. Here is my dog Diamond saying hi. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Rinse sesame with water, then drain well. Rinse peanuts as well. Air fry peanuts at 300 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Stir fry sesame for 8 to 10 minutes at medium heat until dry and fragrant. You can squeeze the sesame to see if it's dry enough. Let sesame cool down. Mix 120 grams glutinous flour with cornstarch. Mix well, then add oil. Mix well. Add water, then mix into a smooth paste. Spray a shallow plate with oil, then pour the flour batter into it. Steam the batter for about 10 minutes. Stir fry 60 grams of glutinous flour to cook it under medium-low heat. Grind black sesame into powdery texture but not pasty. Grind peanuts coarsely, not too fine. Still see some peanut pieces inside. I'm using 50% monk fruit sweetener and 50% white sugar here to reduce the amount of sugar. Mix sesame, peanuts, and sugar together. Rub inside of a bag with oil, then pour the still hot cooked dough into the bag. Knead dough about 2 minutes to soften the dough. Pour the cooked glutinous flour into a shallow plate. Divide the warm glutinous dough into portions of 35 grams each by squeezing out each like this way. Roll each with the cooked glutinous flour. Press to thin one piece of dough. Then spoon in a bit of filling onto it. Press the filling in place, then squeeze one end like this. So the dough form a shallow concave like this way, and put in a bit more filling. Then squeeze the edge to form a deeper concave shape and press the filling inside. And add a bit more filling. When there's enough filling, close the edge securely. Roll the ball using your palms and dust the outside with the cooked glutinous flour. Place it inside a paper baking cup so it won't stick to another piece. Let me cut up a piece. It's full of the yummy peanut sesame sugar filling inside. Skin is not thick and very bouncy and chewy. So delicious. The yummy glutinous rice ball with sesame and peanut filling is now ready to serve. Enjoy!